name's Mrs. Sink and I'm from Sandringham Primary School. Today I'm going to do a maths lesson looking at place value and partitioning of a 4-digit number. Just a quick message for parent and carers. There will be a sheet to do at the end of this lesson, so you feel free to print it. I know this is just a video, but I would really like it if you could respond to my questions, just like the way you do in class. Let's have a go. What's your favourite food? Yeah, mine too. So before we begin, there are a few things you may need for this lesson. A sheet of A4 paper, a pen, and a pair of scissors. Okay, let's make a start. Fold your sheet of A4 paper in half. And on one half, write down the titles for the place value. So, thousands, hundreds, tens and ones. On the other half, write the digits 7, 2, 3 and 2. Now, with your scissors, cut. So, very quickly, and your digit cards. Right, now let's get ready to build a number. Now, let's build a number. So we have our thousands, our hundreds column, our tens column, and our ones column. And the number I'm going to make is 3, digit 7, 2 and 2. Let's read the number out together. 3,722. The digit 3 is in the thousands place and has a value of 3,000. I'm going to use counters to show you this. Count with me. So that's 1,000, 2,000 and 3,000. The digit 7 is in the hundreds place and has a value of 700. Remember to count along. So we have 100, 200, 300, 400, 500, 600 and 700. The digit 2 is in the tens place and has a value of 2 tens. Let's count. 10, 20. And finally, the digit 2 is in the ones place and has a value of 2 ones. 1, and 2. So here we have the number 3,722. Now, let's try a different number. If I move the digit 2 from the ones column and place it in the thousands column, and move the 2 into the ones, the 7 from the 700s into the tens, and the 3 into the hundreds. What number have I made here? That's right, the number is 2,372. Not only has the number changed now, but the value of the digit 2 has moved to the thousands column. Right, now we're going to try some partitioning. So I'm going to write up my number, 2,372. Right, this number is made up of 2,000, 300s, 7 tens, which is 70, and 2 ones, 2. What does this number look like if we use place value arrow cards? Right, so here I have my 2,000, I have my 300s, I have my 7 tens, 70, and I have my 2 ones. 2,000 plus 300 plus 70 plus 2 makes 2,372. In a moment, I'm going to ask you to pause the video. Using the digit cards 3, 7, 2 and 2, how many 4-digit numbers can you make? What is the greatest number you can make? Can you work systematically? Have a go. I'll be back soon. Right, now let's look at more partitioning. Partitioning helps us to break a number into smaller parts. This also helps to understand the value of each number. The 4-digit number I'm going to make now is 'Let's read the number together. 7,232. 7,232. Let's partition this number. 7,232. So 7, we have 7 thousands. We have 200, 3 tens, 30, and 2 ones. Let's show this using our place value cards. So, count with me. 7,000, 200, 3 tens, and 2 ones. 7,000 plus 200 plus 30 plus 2 equals 7,232. have a look at another way of partitioning this number. If I partition this number this way, watch carefully. Right, so we have a 30, 200, 2 and 7,000. Does the number change? Does the value of the digits change? Can I write it up as what's happened now? The number actually stays the same because we still have the digit 7, which represents 7,000. The digit 2, which represents 200. The digit 3, that still represents 3 tens, 30. And the digit 2 represents 2 ones there. So this is incorrect. Right, look closely. What's happened here? I have 7,000. I have 200. But I have a missing part. What could that be? Let's have a look if we can use our arrow cards to help. So we have our 7,000, we have our 200, place them together and we have 7,200. So what part is missing from our number? Let's have a look at the digit 3. We're missing 3 tens, 30, and 2 ones, 32. So our missing part is 32. Okay, let's try another one. Still keep sticking to the same number, 7,232. Just closely have a look at what's happening now. So we have our 7,000, we have our 2, and we have another missing part. Just going to give you a moment to have a think about what part of this number is missing. What do we already know? What do we need to find out? Okay, let's have a look at what you found out. Using the place value arrow cards again, let's have a look at what we have. So we have our 7,000. We have our 2 ones. So what part is missing? Let's read our number out again. 7,232. So we have our 7,000s and we have our 2 ones. What part is missing? Yes, you're absolutely right. 200. Here we have it. 200 and 30. Together, what digits were missing? What number was missing? That's right. 230. Let's place our number together. And we have 7,232. Right, now it's your turn. Thank you very much. You have all been great. Now it's your turn to have a go. Here, I have given you a question. How many different ways can you partition 7,232? Can you solve the following equations? So we have 7,032. What part is missing from the total? What part is missing here? Let's have a look at the next one. We have a missing part here, plus 32. And the total here that equals 7,232. Can you partition this number to find the missing part? Thank you. You've been absolutely great. Feel free to go back and re-watch the video. Pause when you need to. And just carry on building numbers.